First of all, this is safety rule in workshop. Student must wear safety jacket, safety shoes and goggle during the machining process. Before begin lathe process, student must check and switch on the machine to continue start process. First of all, measure the overall dimension of raw material before machining process. And then we set up the speed of machine to 800 rpm. And then mount the workpiece in the lathe machine. Do the face cut with speed of machine is at 800 rpm. After that, do turning cut for base 54 mm with setting of speed is 800 rpm. Set up the speed of machine to 1400 for finishing cut. After that, do finishing cut of 0.5 mm times 2, and then the speed of machine is 1400 rpm. Next step is prepare the center drill. Do center drill with speed of machine is 600 rpm. And then prepare for drilling process. Set up the speed to 600 rpm and then do the drilling process to make a hole. And then for the oil droplet is to avoid excessive temperature. And then for the last process is taper thread. So we set the speed to 20 rpm. And then for the last process we do internal taper thread.